we're gonna again please. Where they again is for the right. We'll do some goat soup. Come to see what going on. So the goat already cook already. Right? So I'm gonna add in the pumpkin now. Right? And more and say special thank you to Jessica from Young Girl Can Cook. You man, she wanted to tell us some season, right? So really appreciate it. I can also give them already, you know, to test them, right? So we have ital season. We have chopped chives. Yeah, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic and salt. Don't know it already. Yeah, Maggi season. We have chopped onion, garlic and salt. So first, we'll go peel the pumpkin and put them back to go and cook. Get the pumpkin them in the pot, you know. When I cut them, because when they cook, we mash them, give color. The soup a nice color when you do it, so, you know. And we have breadfruit, we're going to it, and the breadfruit, we have carrot, garlic, carrot and thyme, pepper, yam, and rosemary, you know. If you put something in the pot, you put a nice flavor and use natural herbs and spices, and we'll get some oregano now or Chinese thyme. Alright, so might go and cook. Alright peeps, so have a nice little Chinese thyme cheer, Chinese thyme or French thyme or oregano. I don't know oregano is the right name. They finally get one for grow. You know. 3 small still, man, pick off 1 leaf for chewing our soup, you know. Not too stressy. Yeah, 1 leaf for chewing our soup. Yeah, man. So people, I wrap up and clips them when time they goat a clean up and thing, you know. So I'm showing the whole process. I do some voice over and play some background music and somebody parse them. So take it to you. Remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. Watch your ads.
Eh? We have to wait too long. You can take time and go on. Yeah, well done.
So we start do the skinning right here, so on its own, so when time we are burn off the fur off of the skin, because I don't know how that I make soup. You can add water and use hot water and just scrape it and have to skin it, you know, whichever road you choose. But today we choose to skin it and then burn out the fur and then scrape it. So when I see all that. Alright, so see what I go on there. So the skin is scraped now, as me say. You get that hot water and throw hot water upon the goat and then scrape it, you know, so you don't have to burn it like a weed. Alright, yeah, this so the skinning done and the gutting done, so I try enough to bust him up. So, right, so now, at time we clean up the tripe and separate the liver and the kidney and all that.
We done already.
Oh.
Almost.
That's not clean if I come out.
Yeah, man, can you come out and start to cut the coat? That's so tight, you know, to sign. You know, we have to go fight to sign, you know.
Fine, man.
That's fully up.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to pull up in here. This is the good side. Yeah, man.
Alright, I tripe cleaning time because I don't know the tripe bad na soup. Yeah, man, so turn up to clean the tripe. So although never say how, the whole process of how we would clean, I see it now. Yeah, man. Alright, tripe cleaning time now. So we'll clean the fat off of the tripe and clean out inside the tripe. So we'll push one stick inside the tripe, for clean out inside. So when I say all that, man, so the stay tuned. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Oh.
So when you do that now, it'll drop another one.
I take out the pumpkin them and mash them, And so everything will go in the soup. The skeleton thyme. We have a French thyme, pepper, carrot, garlic, breadfruit, and yam. We'll add in a little with rosemary same time. Cold kind of dead down peeps, Now the more still, but so I go and everything gone in pot already. As you know, the skeleton the thyme, the rosemary, the French thyme, or Chinese thyme, or oregano. Don't know oregano are the right name. You know, the yam, the red fruit, pepper, dumpling, everything gone it already. I'm gonna get a store, I'm gonna say what I go on. So everything being gone in it already. Then just piece of goat there. You know, everything in it. I can go and cook, you know. A couple minutes time, soup ready. Yeah man, Peter, so I go on there. Yeah man, soup ready, you know. Soup ready, I know, peeps. So I know if we drink some soup, smell good.